Welcome to the live session trade summary of the 3rd of December 2009. This is what we did in the live sessions today, in the London session and New York sessions. As usual, guys, I won't be able to give you an idea on all the trades that we did. It will be here a little bit too long, so I'm just going to highlight a few of the nice ones that we took today. You're looking at a Euro USD chart. This is the 1 hour chart. Even though we trade off the 4 hour chart, I'm just showing you the 1 hour for this video. We saw a pattern break here on the 1 hour up through this 150.95 level that we were talking about almost all day in the live sessions at Traders Haven. We got in at 151.05. That's on the open of this new candle here. And as you can see, it took quite a little while to get it to us, but we trailed our stop eventually as it was going up, and we got out at 151.35 on the pullback of this candle here. So basically what happened was it went up beyond that level, started pulling back against us. We had adjusted our stops, already had removed a certain amount of the trade, and got stopped out in plus 35 or plus 30 pips, on the Euro USD. So that wasn't too bad. We were hoping for a bit more. We're aiming for the top area here, the top of this channel. We were hoping that it would go up to the top there, give us maybe about 45 to 50 pips, but we took out 30 pips on the trade. Not too bad. Happy with that. So let's have a look then at the next trade that we were looking at, the Aussie dollar. Now, a number of guys in the room managed to catch this trade. This is a 4 hour Aussie dollar chart. Here is a breakout pattern that we see here. What we had is a breakout just above this declining trend line. We saw the things in our favor for a long trade here, so we jumped in long on the open of this new candle roughly here. So basically we got in long at 92.74, and we targeted the PPA area. Now that wasn't too much space in between where we were and the PPA area, but you know what, we were just a little bit above that trend line. If we had opened up or closed up here a little bit higher, we wouldn't have taken it. The risk reward ratio wouldn't have been good enough, but it was good enough for us this time. So you know, it was a little bit of a lower close up here, but it was still a clear break, so we jumped in long. Took our profit out at the PPA area, so we got out at 9300, actually just below the PPA at 9300 at the psych level. Took 26 pips off that trade as well, so not too bad. Made 30 off the euro, 26 off the Aussie dollar, and we're moving on to the next trade that we got up to. Let's have a look at the pound. Not everybody caught this trade, I'll be honest. I didn't personally get this trade, but a couple of guys in the room caught this trade. They saw the pound hitting the PPA area, and they went short at the psych level of 167.00. So a lot of them saw it go into their close and start going bearish, you know, and so what they did was they jumped in short at 167.00, and they took their profit here at the support area, that little blue box we got there. We were talking about this blue box in the live session and the support area. We weren't sure how long it would take, if it was going to break through here, but we see it has now. But at the time, what they did was they took their profit off the table at 166.18, so that was a good 82 pips as well. So 138 pips total there out of those three trades. A couple unfortunate guys, myself included, got this trade here, the US dollar, Canadian dollar, as you can see here. We saw it break back into the range. At the time, we didn't have this channel top adjusted onto our charts, this channel that you see here. So we saw it break back into the range here. We were hoping that what would happen was it would basically stay in this area in the range, test the 21, pull back, and close there. We saw it test the 21, we saw it pull back, and it seemed like it was going to close in that area, so we got in short. Unfortunately, we got out of that trade for minus 25. So not everybody took that trade as well. So you know, not everybody took that little bit of small loss. So a lot of guys ended the day with 138 pips odd. Some of them got a few more. And some guys got in with about 113 pips, or 113 pips here, myself included, after taking a 25 pip trade, a loss on this Canadian dollar trade. So basically 4 trades, 3 wins, 1 loss, 113 pips at the worst, and the best trades today, the guys made 138 pips. So a very good trading day, especially considering the time of year that we're trading in. So pop on over to fap-tradershaven.com. Come join us in the live sessions. Remember, they're free for December, so join us in those live sessions, get a taste of what we're doing, and you'll be able to identify these patterns and trade them with us as we trade profitable and reliable patterns on the MACD as well as on the charts.